Because my name's Blip. I'm a battle bot, and you can fight my robot bolts.
Is it behind the electric moose butt? Apologize? Oh, Blip. Glad you could come down off your golden throne. Woo, woo, woo.
Hey, thanks, Buckethead. Maybe one day you'll never be a battle bot. Remember, Buckethead, follow your dreams. Wait, robots don't dream.
How many times have I told you? Civibots cannot be BattleBots! Can't. It happened again, didn't it?
All right, Thunderbolts. Though I am a prototype, I fully intend to lead this team to victory. So let's see some Thunderbolts ride! Excuse me.